So the next step in restoring this trailer that sat for 10 years in the weeds and brush is to grind down all of the screws because they are so rusted you can't unscrew them and get them out. So the best thing to do is just grind them off. Then when you're done, it looks like this, just nice and smooth. That's where the screws were. And that's the underside. You can see I have one there that was tough to get, and then the next ones are gone. So I still need to come back and get that one off. So the next thing I want to do on this trailer is replace the jack. This one has been here for years. It's rusted. It doesn't move up and down very well. So I'm going to do that right now and show you how I do it. So the first thing I have to do is take this clip off, and it's a snap ring. So we have to have special pliers to do that, and we take that off, and then we can just put the new one right on. Okay, I got the jack changed, but no lie, these snap rings are the stupidest invention a man ever made. They are really hard, even with the Snap It tool. It's very time consuming, tough for a woman. Maybe for a man that has larger hands, it's easier, but it took a lot of fight and some extra tools to take them off and put it back on. But it's finally on. So the next thing I'm going to do is try to grind off some of the rust that's on the trailer. This special brush tool, and there's some of the rust that I'm going to try to grind off. This is the rust on the trailer before I took the brush to it and sanded off all that rust. And then here is one that I've done afterwards. And now it is ready to put the undercoating on it and prime this side. And this is what it looks like with the undercoating sprayed on it. Next, I'm going to take the fenders off of the frame by grinding them off. So I finished up the trailer. I can't believe what a fun project it was to work on. It's hard to believe what I found in some rubble under some brush turned into this. It just goes to show that one man's trash can be another person's treasure. It was a great project for about $1,000 in material and just my time and energy. I think this turned into a fabulous working trailer, and I hope everybody enjoys the video, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next that I also found in the bushes in a farmer's lot. So this wagon, which doesn't even have any sides on it anymore, I also found in the farmer's woods in the bushes, and that's going to be my next project. So I hope you all watch and enjoy the video.